Alexa, turn on fan.
Hey guys, my name is Znathitr and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Znathitr. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can automate your room in under 5,000 rupees. The first device we're going to look is echodot third generation. On the left of the box, you can see thousands of skills including Ask, Amazon Prime Music, Philips Hue, Savanola, etc. The right of the box, you can see all the echodot features including Alexa, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and audio line out. The audio line out is 3.5 mm audio jack. In the back of the box, it's all the function that you can do with the Echo Dot. In the top of the box, the Amazon logo and nothing else on the back. That's all for the box. Let's unbox it. In the box, we get this Echo device. I've been using this device for around 1 year. On the back of the device, you get two inputs. One is for the power supply and the other one is for audio, your aux cable. And the mesh is good around the speaker. On the back, you get the rubberized texture so that the device don't fall off from the table or any surface you're putting it on. Let's connect it to power. Okay, the power cable is very sturdy. Like if you apply a little bit more force, then it will come out, otherwise it's good to go. The device has been set up. Okay, let's talk about the buttons on the top of the Echo Dot device. There are 4 buttons. The first one is volume down. The second one is to turn up the volume. The third one is to call Alexa without saying the wake up word. The fourth button is to stop the wake up word. The second device which we are going to use is Oak Remote by Octo. It's a Wi-Fi universal remote which is compatible with both Google Assistant and Alexa. On the left hand side of the box you can see all the devices which can be controlled by the Octo remote. On the right hand side we can see all the commands that we can use using Alexa or Google Assistant. That's pretty much everything that's on the box. Let's unbox it. Okay, inside the box we get the device. I have been using this device for around a year and so it's pretty much used up. Let me tell you, the durability of this device is quite good. On the back of the device you can see the device ID and the password which you can use to set up the application on the Android or the iOS device. The power is given to this device using a micro USB. All you have to do is just put it in. Okay, it's set up. Like the wire is quite sturdy, but if you apply a little bit more force, it can come out. Third device we're going to use is phone off. You can get this switch for around 500 rupees on Amazon. There's two parts, one is input and the other one is output. All you have to do is just open this cover, add the input of your source, open the cover of the other side and add the output. Yup, that's it. There's a button over here to turn and off the device which you're going to use with this. I'll just open up and show you what it is. Like it's just a plastic coating that is showing right now. I'll just open it up for you guys. Okay, wait a second. Inside you get this chip. As you can see, there's an LED indicator, the button and registers or something like that. Now that we have powered up the devices, let's go and set up their applications. Go to Play Store. Let's search for Alexa. I have already downloaded the application. This is just a video reference how you have to do it. The second application you have to download is Octo. And the last one is CV Link. After downloading all the 3 applications, close the Play Store, and the first application we have to open right now is Octo. Log in and sign up to the Octo device. After that, we have to open the eVlink app. Agree. And we have to sign up. If you haven't signed up, just sign up and log in, okay? I've already signed up, so I'll just log in. The eVlink is an application for Sonos devices. It will detect all of the Sonos devices. It's easy to set up step by step. I have my fan, my bedroom light, and my computer, all 3 set up over here. The last step we're gonna do is Alexa. Just turn on Alexa. There's a lots of variety of things we can do with Alexa, but this video is mainly focused on home automation, so we'll not talk about anything else. Go to More. On the top right corner, you will see a search option. In the search, you have to search for Octo. Click on the first one. Okay, enable the skill. After enabling, go to settings and sign in from your account, which we have set up previously in the video. Do the same with eVlink. Search for eVlink. Enable the skill. Go to settings. And same, link your account again. After that, you're good to go. The Alexa app will automatically detect all the new devices which have been found, as you can see. So this is list of all the automation I have done in my room. Alexa, turn off bedroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bedroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off Samsung. Alexa, turn on Samsung. Turn on AC. Alexa, increase AC temperature by 4. So that's all for today, guys. If you liked my video, do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video, guys. Okay, bye.